How to fertilize dragon fruit. Native to Central America, dragon fruit is popular for its refreshing tropical fruit, medicinal qualities and ornamental night-blooming flowers. The French introduced the dragon fruit to the Vietnamese over 100 years ago. Today, Vietnam is the top commercial producer of dragon fruit in this region. Dragon fruit is a climbing cactus that is utilized for food, medicine, decorative landscaping and food coloring. The plant's genus name, Hyloceras, means wax or torch-like and grows best in dry, tropical climates. Things you will need. (666 or 8412) fertilizer, water, manure or compost. Step 1. Apply fertilizer 2 to 3 months after planting a dragon fruit tree. This is when the tree starts growing. Step 2. During the first year after planting a dragon fruit cactus, fertilize every 8 weeks with light doses 1/4 of a pound of fertilizer. Step 3. In the second and third years, gradually increase fertilizer to 1/3 of a pound per dragon fruit cactus every 2 months. Add 6 pounds of manure or compost around the base of each cactus every 6 months. Step 4. All following years, increase fertilizer to 1/2 pound to 3/4 of a pound per cactus plant. Apply fertilizer every 4 months. Add 5 pounds of manure or compost for each dragon fruit plant every 6 months.